Hey, there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly fascinating to share with you all. Get ready to uncover the secrets of Chinese aloe vera juice, packed with incredible, lesser-known facts. Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. Aloe vera, known as the plant of immortality, has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. The Chinese have long recognized the healing properties of this succulent wonder. Did you know that China is one of the largest producers of aloe vera worldwide? The country's favorable climate and rich soil contribute to the cultivation of high-quality aloe vera plants. Fact number 3. Chinese aloe vera juice undergoes a meticulous extraction process to ensure maximum potency. The leaves are carefully selected, hand-picked, and washed to eliminate impurities. Chinese aloe vera juice contains a remarkable array of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's a true powerhouse of nutrients. Drinking this juice can help support digestion, boost the immune system, and promote overall wellness. Fact number 5. Aloe vera juice is renowned for its skin-nourishing properties. It's no surprise that Chinese aloe vera juice is widely used in cosmetics and skincare products. The natural gel-like consistency of the juice helps soothe and hydrate the skin, making it a popular choice among beauty enthusiasts. Chinese aloe vera juice is incredibly versatile. Apart from being a refreshing beverage, it can be used as a natural ingredient in smoothies, cocktails, and even desserts. It adds a unique, soothing flavor to your favorite recipes. Fact number 7. Aloe vera juice has gained popularity due to its potential detoxifying properties. It can help flush out toxins from the body and support healthy liver function. Just remember, moderation is key when incorporating it into your detox routine. Here's an interesting tidbit: aloe vera has a rich cultural significance in Chinese folklore. It's believed to bring good luck, protection, and ward off evil spirits. People often keep potted aloe vera plants in their homes as a symbol of prosperity and positive energy. Fact number 9. Chinese aloe vera juice has been linked to potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's a natural elixir that supports a healthy lifestyle and overall well-being. Finally, Chinese aloe vera juice is not just beneficial for humans. It can also be used to promote the well-being of our furry friends. Some pet owners have found that incorporating small amounts of aloe vera juice into their pets' diets can support their digestive health and boost their immune systems. And there you have it, folks, the most unknown facts about Chinese aloe vera juice. From its ancient medicinal uses to its remarkable nutritional benefits, it truly is a natural wonder worth exploring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.